Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we've got an exciting product to talk about, the Microsoft Surface Pen in charcoal black. If you're an artist, student, or professional looking to take your digital creativity to the next level, this might be the perfect tool for you. Stick around for the next 5 minutes as we dive deep into what makes this Surface Pen a must-have. Let's get started. First things first, let's take a look at the Surface Pen specifications. It comes in this sleek charcoal black color and is brought to you by the trusted brand, Microsoft. Made from durable rubber material, this pen is designed to last. It's powered by a lithium polymer battery, which, by the way, is included in the package. No need to rush to the store for batteries. Now, one of the most crucial aspects of any tech accessory is its compatibility. The Microsoft Surface Pen is compatible with a wide range of devices, including the Surface Book, Surface Studio, Surface Laptop, Surface Go, Surface Pro, and more. So, whether you're using an older Surface device or the latest one, this pen has you covered. What sets this Surface Pen apart is its incredible precision. It boasts an impressive 4,096 pressure points that respond to even the lightest touch. Whether you're sketching or shading, you'll feel like you're using a traditional pencil or brush. This means your digital artwork will be more expressive and natural than ever before. Lag and latency can be a deal-breaker for digital artists. But fear not, the Surface Pen offers reduced lag and low latency. This means that when you touch the pen to the screen, the ink flows out in real time with no delay. Your creativity won't be interrupted by technology getting in the way. Now, let's talk about what you can do with this Surface Pen. It's not just for drawing. You can use it with a variety of applications like OneNote, Microsoft Office, Adobe Suite, Sketchable, Bluebeam Review, Drawboard, CorelDRAW, and StaffPad. Whether you're taking notes in a meeting or creating intricate digital art, this pen is up for the task. The Surface Pen is designed with usability in mind. It has an intuitive rubber eraser on one end, just like a traditional pencil. Plus, the pen is tiltable, allowing you to shade your drawings and sketches naturally. And if the battery does run out, don't worry, it's replaceable, so you won't be left high and dry. Express yourself with a Surface Pen by choosing the color that suits your style. Apart from charcoal black, it's available in platinum, burgundy, and cobalt blue. Your accessory can now match your personality. In conclusion, the Microsoft Surface Pen in charcoal black is a game-changer for anyone looking to enhance their digital creativity. With its precise pressure sensitivity, low latency, and wide application compatibility, it's a tool that can bring your vision to life. Whether you're an artist, student, or professional, this pen is a versatile companion. That wraps up our review of the Microsoft Surface Pen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. If you already own this Surface Pen or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next episode.